morning children. Welcome to today's IT class. Today we are going to discuss the continuation of chapter 5 formulas and functions in Excel. In last class we have discussed about cell references. What is cell reference? That is referencing the cell address of any other cell, that is known as cell reference. Then we learned three types of cell references. First one, relative reference. Second one, absolute reference. Third one, mixed reference. Today we are going to discuss reference to other worksheet. Second one, reference to other workbook. Third one, customizing a worksheet. These are three main topics that we are going to discuss today. The first one is reference to other worksheet. Second one, reference to other workbook. Third one, customizing worksheet tab. First one is a reference to other worksheet. We can easily refer the cells in other worksheet within the same workbook. For this, you have to do the following steps.
Another worksheet within the same workbook. For example, to enter a reference to a cell A2 in sheet 2 into cell A1 in sheet 1, you have to follow these steps. This is sheet 1 and this is sheet 2. Like that we can create many sheets in Excel. So I am going to give reference between these two sheets. For this, step 1, select cell A1 in sheet 1 and type an equal to sign. Step 2, click on the sheet 2 tab. Step 3, click cell A2 and then press enter key. Sheet 1 is active now. Step 4, select cell A1 and you will see that it contains the formula sheet 2 not A2. Here you can see the formula sheet 2 exclamation mark A2. The exclamation point separate the worksheet portion of the reference from the cell portion. This is worksheet 2 and this is cell portion. This is exclamation point separate this worksheet and cell. If I am giving any value in A2 in sheet 2, then the same value you can see in sheet 1 in cell A1. So whatever value I am giving in A2 in sheet 2, I can see the same value in sheet 1 cell A1. So this is known as a reference to other worksheet in the same workbook. Let's see one more example. I am going to change the value in sheet 2. In cell A2, I am going to change the value as 100. It is in sheet 2. Then here I am giving a reference of the cell to sheet 1 so that in sheet 1 also the value changed. See, the value of A1 cell in sheet 1 also changed accordingly. This is known as reference to other worksheet.
The second one is other workbook references. We can easily refer the cells of worksheet of other workbook as well. This type of reference is known as external references. That is, we can refer the cells of other workbook. This is known as external references. To do other workbook references, we have to follow these steps.
Next, other workbook reference. Here I have created two workbooks. This is workbook 1 and this is workbook 2. Here I am going to give a reference between these two workbooks, book 1 and book 2. For example, enter a reference to book 2 in book 1. Follow these steps. First, you have to take book 1. Step 1. Create two workbooks named book 1 and book 2. Step 2. Select in the cell A1 in sheet 1 of book 1 and then type equal to sign. Step 3. Switch to book 2 using Alt tab. This is book 2. Then click cell A2. Step 5. Press enter key. Then now the book 1 sheet 1 is active now. Then click on the cell A1. You can see the formula book 2 sheet 2 exclamation point A2. So in book 2 I am going to give one value 100. So accordingly the value also reflected in book 1. Book 1 in cell A1 the value is 100. This reference has three parts. First one, the workbook book 2 should be given inside a square bracket and the worksheet sheet 1 or sheet 2 is followed by an exclamation sign. Then the cell having absolute reference. This is absolute reference $A, $2. This is absolute reference.
Next is customize worksheet tab. So customizing worksheet tab means you can customize your worksheet. For example, you can add color to your worksheet. Then you can give another name for your worksheet, that is known as renaming. Then you can insert a new worksheet. You can also delete your worksheet. These are known as customizing worksheet.
Customizing worksheet tab. To customize a worksheet tab, you have to follow these steps. First one, right click on the sheet tab. Then you can see many options. If you want to rename the sheet, then you can click rename option. I'm going to give here as ABCD. Then the sheet name got changed to ABCD. Next, if you want to give a color for this sheet tab, right click sheet tab and then click tab color and give color red.
You can refer to cells in other worksheets within the same workbook just as easily as you refer to cells in the same worksheet. For example, to enter a reference to cell A2 in sheet 2 into cell A1 in sheet 1, do this. Step 1. Select cell A1 in sheet 1 and type an equal sign. Step 2. Click the sheet 2 tab. Step 3. Click cell A2 and then press enter key. When you press enter key, sheet 1 is now active. Step 4. Select cell A1 and you will see that it contains the formula equal sheet 2 exclamation A2. The exclamation point separates the worksheet portion of the reference from the cell portion.
Other workbook references. You can refer to cells of a worksheet in other workbooks in the same way you refer to cells in other worksheets within the same workbook. These references are called external references. For example, to enter a reference to book 2 in book 1, follow these steps. Step 1. Create two workbooks named book 1 and book 2. Step 2. Select cell A1 in sheet 1 of book 1 and type an equal to sign. Step 3. Switch to book 2 by pressing Alt plus Tab keys from the keyboard. Click to select cell A2. Step 2. Press Enter key. After you press Enter key, your formula in book 1, cell A1 should be is equal to book 2, sheet 1 exclamation point $A, $2. This reference has three parts. 1. The workbook book 2 in square brackets 2. The worksheet sheet 1 followed by exclamation sign. 3. The cell having absolute reference. Hence, referencing cells in the external workbooks is done by selecting the workbook, then worksheet, and then the cells you want to link reference to. Customize Worksheet tab. Performing the following steps to customize Worksheet tab. Step 1. Right-click the sheet tab that you want to customize. Step 2. Click on Rename to rename the sheet or Tab Color to select the tab color or Delete to delete the sheet. Step 3. Type in the name or select a color you would like for your spreadsheet. Step 4. The information will be added to the tab at the bottom of the spreadsheet. You can also use the Insert, Delete, and Move or Copy options to add new sheet, delete a sheet, and move or copy a sheet respectively.
So children, we have come to the end of today's session. Today we have learned first one, reference to other worksheet. Second one, reference to other workbook. Third one, customizing a worksheet. Reference to other worksheet. That means we can refer the cells of other worksheet in the same workbook. Reference to other workbook. That means we can refer the cells of other worksheet in another workbook. Third one, customizing your worksheet. We can customize our worksheet such as rename your worksheet, add color, insert, delete. These operations we can do in our worksheet. Hope all of you understood this topic. For any doubts or clarification, we will discuss in live class. Thank you.